This video teaches you how to delete your Pinterest profile and all associated data on a computer. Go to www.pinterest.com on a computer. You can use any web browser on your computer to deactivate your Pinterest account. Click the menu button like down icon in the top right corner to open your menu. Click Settings on the menu. Click Account Settings. It's near the top of the left panel. Drop down and click Delete Account the Account Changes header. This option will permanently delete your profile, pins, posts and all other information associated with your account. If you want to disable your account without permanently losing your username, pins and boards, select Deactivate Account and then click Next instead. Nobody will be able to see your profile or content while your account is deactivated, and you can reactivate at any time by logging back in. Click Delete Account. Tell us why you are leaving, then click Next. A confirmation screen will appear. Click Send Email. Pinterest will send a confirmation message to the email address associated with your account. Check the email address associated with your Pinterest account to confirm that you want to close your account. The account will remain deactivated for 14 days in case you change your mind. If you sign back in during that time, your account will be re-enabled. If not, it will be permanently deleted. There is also a problem with this video, so ask about the comments. Any problem related to social media and internet? Let them know in the comment bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for any updates.